guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on your theme to the dark mode on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First, click on this three lines here, and here you will find this icon here. Click on it, and as you see, it will be dark. That's how to do it. That's how to turn your theme to dark on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.